Hey, Genesis here with Invest for Wealth. And guys, I wanted to make a quick video today just to go over what's going on with COVID-19 and these delayed mortgage payments or postponed mortgage payments or the forbearance of mortgage payments. And what I want to go over, guys, is real brief, a couple of reasons why I think you should pay your mortgage regardless. Now, if you can't, we'll go over options at the end of the video as to what you should do. But what I want to go over is why you should make your payments. Well, number one, guys, is right now the banks are rolling out some options saying, hey, we could postpone your payment for 90 days, but day 91, there's a lump sum payment. Now, my problem with that is if you lost your job and you're in forbearance, day 91, let's just say you have an average mortgage of $1,500 a month. How am I going to pay $4,500 when I lost my job and I lost a good bulk of my income, or I'm not receiving income at all? Why am I going to postpone that? And then now I'm dealing with foreclosure. Another reason why I say, guys, no matter what, pay your mortgage 100% if you can, is because we don't want no damage on our credit. We don't want no lates showing on there. You guys know how could that affect us. And right now, during this crisis, credit is so important. A lot of people are gonna have to live off their credit cards. A lot of people are gonna have to get credit just so they could sustain what's going on right now. You know, 80% Americans live paycheck to paycheck. So obviously there's gonna be a few of you guys who can't make it. Like I said, at the end of the video, I will go over options and what you should do if you cannot make your mortgage payment. So guys, another reason why I'm saying continue making your payments, because right now the CARES Act is very unclear on how they're supposed to handle this, and the banks and borrowers and servicers are all confused. They don't really know how to go about this. This is the reason why some banks are releasing this instant relief of mortgage payments. But honestly, guys, we don't want this instant relief to become a giant burden in 90 days. Now, guys, FHA or federally backed loans are seeing a different type of treatment during this problem. Okay, what they're saying is you can actually get forbearance for up to 180 days. And if you're still being affected by COVID-19 for your income, then you could actually get it for an additional 180 days. Now, guys, some banks are saying they're still working out the kinks, but basically what they're gonna do is either you have that lump sum payment. If you can't make that payment, what they can do is restructure the loan. So basically what they're gonna do is they're gonna take it, tack on those 6 months to the end of your loan. So instead of you being your loan maturing at a certain date, that will extend, whether you do the 90 days or 180 days, that will be tacked on to the end of the loan, which I think would be ideal. But guys, make sure you ask, what are the terms? How is this going to be reported on my credit? Because right now credit is very important and you don't want this to affect your credit. So guys, basically we're going to see changes to the CARES Act. So keep your eye on that. But as of right now, I say continue paying your mortgage if you can. Now, if you can't, guys, what I recommend is call your servicer, your loan servicer, find out what options do they have for you, how this is going to be reported to your credit, how it's going to be repaid. Write down everything that you spoke to that banker or that representative about, and make sure you understand everything clearly, because you don't want later on down the line, day 91, you don't understand what's going on. You just brushed it off and now you owe this money, or they damaged your credit. So make sure you guys call your servicer, understand all the ins and outs, write everything down in detail. So to conclude this video, guys, again, if you can make the payments, make it. If you can't, understood, call your servicer, find out what you can do, find out what are the terms, and guys, educate yourself, okay? Keep an eye out on what's going on with the CARES Act. So guys, that's the end of my video. I just wanted to make it brief, to the point. Like I said, that's what I'm going to be doing. Very informative, to the point. If you like the channel, please subscribe, like, comment. If you called your servicer and they gave you some options, comment below. I would like to see what's going on out there. What are you guys seeing with your banks? I appreciate the engagement, guys. Have a great rest of the day. Stay safe, and see you on the next video.